y'all, it's Ty, and today's video is going to be a retwist in style. I first washed her hair and now I'm blow drying it like 50 to 60%.
Right now I feel like we need to be all alone. So if you just playing around, you need to tell your girl take a fine ass home, and that's real. Stop teasing me. Stop teasing me.
She's getting a barrel ponytail with 2 barrels in the back and 4 in the front. So here you see me just sectioning each of one of her barrels. Sectioning the hair helps make sure that everything is symmetrical and even.
401, we got a lock on the game, but there's more to come. You gotta pop that ass to the morning come. You want shots for the girls, damn, order some. Who's calling that? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Hey. Is it Stacy? Is it Becky? Is it Keisha? Is it Ashley? Was it Danny? Is it Party? Where's the function? Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck the function?
When I'm doing my retwist, I use little to no product because I don't want to cause buildup or irritate the scalp. So basically, I just put enough to where it's like on the tip or edges of the comb. I go in and I evenly distribute the product through the section that I made. And then I clean up my part, making sure I don't break or pop the hairs from the lock.
At you, like bless me, hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me.
Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, shit on.
When I'm retwisting the lock, I make sure all of the hair is inside of the comb, doing it to like an angle. And then I twirl it or twist it like 2 or 3 times and then palm roll or locksmith the hair. Palm rolling or locksmithing helps make sure the hair isn't frizzy and forms the lock shape.
I see your waist shrunk, my love. Hey, you got some bass in the trunk, my love. Damn. How many hoes in this club? Is it really just me, my love? You know my dad and them pimpin' for real. You ever been down to Memphis, Tennessee, my love? I ain't saying I agree, my love. I'm just telling you the things that I see, my love. I got drinks, jokes, sex, and cash. Those are 4 things I can guarantee, my love. Hey.
Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world.
Is that your bestie? I'm an ice bomb, we all like Gretzky. I'ma at you, like bless me. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me.
Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world.
Is that your bestie? I'm an ice bomb, we all like Gretzky. I'ma at you, like bless me. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me.
Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world.
Is that your bestie? I'm an ice bomb, we all like Gretzky. I'ma at you, like bless me. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me.
Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world.
Is that your bestie? I'm an ice bomb, we all like Gretzky. I'ma at you, like bless me. Where the fuck the function? Get nasty, where the fuck the function?
Is it Becky? Is it Keisha? Is it Ashley? Was it Danny? Is it Party? Where's the function?
Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck the function?
Aye. What? Look. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. Huh? They ain't talking about nothing. Aye. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. Huh? They ain't talking about nothing. They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What they talking about? They ain't talking about nothing. What Pickable, I just put them bookers in my chain. Pickable, 80 pointers like a Kobe game. Pickable, 7.62s, I make them plain. Pickable, popping out, you better smell my name. Pickable, put 2 foreigns on the 405. Pickable, Kachi Pepper if I'm doing pasta. Pickable, why you acting tough on IG Live? Pickable, you know my little niggas off they rocker. Pickable,
Surprise, bitch, it's that nigga chicken cheese. Pickable. Let me FaceTime my op, bitch, I'm up the street. Pickable. Yes, AGs, I'm putting something to sleep. Pickable. He on the ground, I praise God and start stumping feet. Pickable. I put 10 on his face, bitch, my shooter playing. Pickable. I hit it from the back, I told her move her hand. Pickable. Then slide my thumb in where her at. Pickable. On your top, I'm with God, bitch, don't look back.
what they talking about? They ain't talking about none. What they talking about? They ain't talking about none. What they talking about? They ain't talking about none. What they talking about? They talking about none. Huh? They ain't talking about none. hey, that's my bitch. Hey, 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 that's my bitch. Hey, 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 with all that fake shit. Hey, 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 ain't the one to play with. Hey, hey, hey.
When I'm doing barrels, I like to split the barrel section into two again and start working my way from the middle to the outside. A key tip with doing barrels, you cross right over left or left over right, whichever one feels more comfortable and that's the look that you like or going for.
Hey, who me bands, I'm a sin. Gin freak, bitch, I like my Mac touching yams. Pay that option around me, I'ma tell you, turn it off. Heard what happened to your mans, not sorry for your loss. Should've prayed before them shooters came and nailed to the cross. I let your boy get a pass, bitch, you lucky you soft, for real. What they talking about? They talking about nothing. 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 Huh? They ain't talking about nothing. Aye. What they talking about? They talking about nothing. 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 Huh? They ain't talking about nothing. Pickable.
Light a cake, funnel cake. What is this? Vertebrae, diamond lens, cardiac, pockets fat, overweight, cannabis, meditate, overseas, out of state, a lot of speed, no brakes, and a lawyer fee. Eat a case, been poppin' shit that it clear through. Panoramic, my bitch got a glass roof. We pull up with them sticks like that bamboo. Yeah, I put my mans on what your mans do. By that low, we hit it in Cancun. Let your hoe get the nose, yeah, cashew. No mechanic, but I got a lot of proof. When you come from that too, you know how to move. I do shit that these niggas can't do. Get a spider, hit it in pants too. I got Versace boxes in every room. Plain watches, RM in the paddock too. She been Cali, but she live in Malibu. Super sexy and cool with her attitude. Yeah, bitch call me daddy, yo. Feel like Biggie, I'm going back to Cali, yo. Cut up terrace, no, just like a patio. Hey, come stick me, hit me with the antidote. I can sign you little niggas like Alamo. In my business, little bitch, you a nose at home. I tell Thugger, he told Rush, go slam the door. Ain't no comfort, you know we get plenty more. Let these pennies, now I got a penny loaf. Shorty pretty, I'm tryna get in the throat. Light a cake, funnel cake. What is this? Vertebrae, diamond lens, cardiac, pockets fat, overweight, cannabis, meditate, overseas, out of state, a lot of speed, no brakes, and a lawyer fee. Eat a case, been poppin' shit that it clear through. Panoramic, my bitch got a glass roof. We pull up with them sticks like that bamboo. Yeah, I put my mans on what your mans do. By that low, we hit it in Cancun. Let your hoe get the nose, yeah, cashew. No mechanic, but I got a lot of proof. When you come from that too, you know how to move. Network, politics, poppin' shit, party kick, high fashion, got a lot of this. Open ceremony, all type of shit. Pull a Rolls Royce, coming in, on the 6'3", MG Benz. Swimming in the money, knee deep in. And I'm digging in your honey on the weekend. But I can't stay long cause I gotta go. Looking for a new bitch, she need my demo. Call me one of AK, Mr. Got it on. They gon' take all money and designer clothes. If this shit on more, we gon' finish strong. I can get her head up, I'ma rock a phone. I'm inside my head, so you can't do no wrong. Get some rest in your bag and you bring it home. Light a cake, funnel cake. What is this? Vertebrae, diamond lens, cardiac, pockets fat, overweight, cannabis, meditate, overseas, out of state, and a lot of speed, no brakes, and a lawyer fee. Eat a case, been poppin' shit that it clear through. Panoramic, my bitch got a glass roof. We pull up with them sticks like that bamboo. Yeah, I put my mans on what your mans do. By that low, we hit it in Cancun. Let your hoe get the nose, yeah, cashew. No mechanic, but I got a lot of tools. When you come from that too, you know how to move.
Pop it right about the blue type shit. Put the double O in the mood. Serotonin, that's a cool type mix. Oxycontin mixing with balloons. Used to learn I'm feeling like a zoo type mix. Shot, stripping, taking shrooms. Eating all the
Once I'm done doing the barrel, I use a rubber band to secure it, and the rubber band size is basically gauges off of how thick the barrels are. This is a small rubber band, but I sometimes go between small and medium. Since she's getting barrels in the front, I did the same thing I did to the back to the front, and she decided to leave 2 strands at her ear tabs.
Full type shit. Push up on my thighs, cookie down type shit. She creeping out on my balls, I gotta move type shit. Thomas they cover my flaws, I ain't had to pay new type of shit. Come around jump with the best, holler like a new type shit. All of my jeans to say I think I'm over type shit. Put the whole down with the game, that she think she my manager type of shit. Shot that she was, I'm like, I would forever have a boss bitch. The picture said, homie, ain't almost a make it type shit. 81,000
And this is my finished product. If you want any more videos, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and tell me what other videos or tutorials you want to see me do. I'll see y'all later. Bye.